In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, go into Settings, then click on More Connectivity Options and select Printing after scrolling down. Now you can click on System Printing Service, Xiaomi Home or any other service you have and wanna use. Then activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Your device is looking for a printer and when it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you still can't connect though, enable print service and wait for icon at the bottom to show. When it does, click on it, hit Add Printer, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct printing, use a gray switcher next to this feature to activate it. Hit Allow in the pop-up for it to work. Choose Find Wi-Fi Direct printers and let your device to search for yours. You can also just click on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and connect manually by tapping on Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!